Are NBA players' heights normally distributed? Well, let's consider all 435 NBA players from the 2008-2009 season as shown in these two graphs. Now, if it truly followed the normal distribution, you can see there's sort of a problem here. There should be more in this upper end of the tail. That's those who are heights 85 inches and above, which would be above 7 foot. Likewise over here, you see this bit of a little bit of a curve off from the line right here, and that corresponds to this lack of a tail on the right side. So you can argue no, this is really not normally distributed. The right tail is smaller than you would expect from a normal distribution. Here's another one. Can we approximate poker winnings by a normal distribution? So here we consider the poker winnings of an individual over 50 days. Now notice we have an outlier right here. And in fact, it's such a big outlier, it's not even showing up in the probability plot. I mean, 4,000 would be about here. So there should have been a dot. There should be a dot around here. You can see there's a very heavy curve right there. So this is definitely not a normal distribution. So the distribution is heavily skewed to the right and cannot be approximated by the normal distribution. The figure here shows normal probability plots for two distributions that are skewed. One distribution is skewed to the low end, so one is left skewed, the other is right skewed. Now the question is, which one is which? Well, if you examine where the points fall along the vertical axis, examine where the points fall along a vertical axis. In the first plot, most points fall near the low end with fewer observations scattered along the high end. So this should be something you would expect to see for a right skewed graph. On the other hand, the second plot has the opposite features, where there's a lot of data at the high end, not so much on the low end. This is what you would expect to see from a graph that is skewed left. And finally, I'll leave this for you to ponder. Is it normal for someone to shop at Safeway? I'll let you answer that.